Alright, hi guys, so it's currently, wait, what time is it? Hold on. It's 8:49, I can't even see it. It's 8:49, my camera's fogging up. But yeah, this is our hotel. There's a pool, and then the arcade, and then my friends. Alright, yeah. Oh my god, wait, I have mascara under my eyes. Why didn't you guys tell me this? Hi vlog. Definitely not happening today. Alright, yeah. Talk to you guys when, yeah. Almost. Hi guys. It's 6:23. I'm not doing well. Basically, the conference starts. I don't have anything. Alright, well, we need to get ready kind of fast, guys. I'm a really slow getting up person. See you guys whenever I see you guys. I'm sorry I haven't vlogged a lot. Alright, bye, guys.
I look so bad in both of those.
We're just chilling.
Hi guys, we out here. Vlogging today.
Screw you too, Will. You're supposed to be my unity.
Bye, Will. We love you. Kind of. You have to wait.
Bye, Will.
Vlogging.
Oh,
We're vlogging.
Hi, vlog.
Oh, when I'm famous, remember me. Ow, you stepped on my foot.
I'm sorry. Okay, I'm sorry.
I was like, is that him? And she runs.
We out.
She's probably looking for you.
I'll see you guys later. Alright, what's going on, guys? So, my name's Isaiah. I'm also a YouTuber.
I am too. Wait, I want to say hi.
Just walked a full circle around them. Alright, well, here's your host back.
It's actually Sadcast. Oh my.
We're vlogging. We're those annoying.
What is going on, guys?
Oh my god. Hey guys. Hi guys, so we're just walking on the vendors right now. Alright, I'm gonna go now. Bye. So guys, me, Cassie, and Alana are just kind of chilling here, and we just realized we're a day ahead of you. It's July 5th.
Yeah, losers.
You guys are still in July 4th.
Guys, look. Hey guys, it's Cheyenne's vlog.
Hi, follow me on SoundCloud.
Oh. This is Isaiah.
I'm a vlogger, dude. At Isaiah Fisher.
Isaiah Fisher.
Space Fisher, Fisher. My
If you
Instagram's at KingZay141. I repeat, KingZay141. My Snapchat is KingZay1417. Thank you very much.
Hey, my name's Caitlin.
Hi, this is Caitlin.
Yeah,
She's my
Caitlin,
other
She's
friend.
pretty cool.
She's a vlogger too. Just kidding. Cheyenne's gonna be rich and famous one day, and this will be one of her first videos. And I'm really excited to be a part of this. Hi, how are you? That's Jaden, and that's Kaylee. You better see her.
Follow me on Twitter.
Follow her on Twitter. I really just have a great MySpace account, and I don't know that guy's name back there, but I see him around. Yeah, that guy. This is Raven. It's her birthday.
Wish her
Happy birthday to Raven. She's 17.
17's not that exciting.
But she's still 17. She's living life.
So surprising my friend Raven with cake. That's her birthday. I just need to fix my hair. No, Kenzie, I need.
I know.
I don't think she'll want one this late, but we can still do it. And put those.
This is only gonna be a video of me getting mad at you guys. Yeah, because you whip your whole body around.
Okay, Cassidy, I will get into an argument with you right now. You can't blame me all the time.
I can blame you most of the time.
No, you can't. On our way up to the room right now. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Raven. Happy birthday to you. Woo! Happy 17th. Happy birthday. Oh, okay, I promise I actually missed it. Dang it. Oh, we got you. Okay, so hold on, I have to mute this because this is confidential. Oh my Jesus criminy. So there's another video being filmed today, so I haven't vlogged today because that's not part of it. But I'm just checking in. So yeah.
You're mean.
Kiana, I am so over it.
No!
Pineapples. She dropped her pineapples. Oh. Okay, yeah. Okay. So, just wanted to come on here, check in. I know I haven't vlogged a lot at all. And basically the reason I'm in Florida is for a conference called Unity. And yeah. And I held either a crocodile or an alligator. I forget. I get them mixed. I still don't know the difference between the two. I tried to figure it out, but I couldn't. A little update. I still am not able to get my camera off the tripod. So yeah, we'll see how this works out. It's just, it's not coming off. Like, it's like, yeah. Because I want to get this out. Because I'm trying. Hello? Oh, hi. No, thank you. No. Yeah, thank you. Oh, yeah. I faced my phobia multiple times throughout this trip. I didn't face it. I ran and screamed a lot.
What did she see? Is that a lizard?
Oh my god! Wait, what is it? Oh, there you are. I'm recording right now. Okay.
And I'm panning now. Are you okay? Oh, you're filming.
Yeah.
I said hi.
Oh my god, the housekeeper came in while I was recording.
Did you get it on video?
Yeah. She's like, housekeeping.
Really?
No, I'm just explaining like why I didn't film as much as I wanted. Really just. Yeah, wait, why did you come up here?
Did you get tanning stuff?
Okay.
I need to pee though.
Okay.
Look, I think I literally just got this line.
Oh my god!
I'm about to go tan some more, bro.
Dude, I was walking back up to the room and there was a lizard.
No way.
Way, dude.
Not a lizard, bro.
No, it was like a lizard and it slithered across
What
the
would you do
path.
if you saw one that like was like and it just chased you?
Let's not talk about the scenarios that won't happen. Okay, so I'm trying to wake Cheyenne up right now, and she's not getting up, and I keep like yelling her name. Cheyenne! Shy! I've literally been doing this for like a couple minutes now, and she's like not waking. Cheyenne. And I even pounded on the door. Kenzie agrees. Cheyenne. I'm a new man. I got 10. Wake up. I don't think it's gonna work. So here's my fit. I just went to the pool.
when you see this, I hope you laugh your off. And good morning, and I hope you had a good slumber. All right, peace out.
Hey guys, so thank you guys for watching my third YouTube video. It's my second travel vlog or just vlog in general. It means a lot to me that you guys watch my videos because I don't know, I just really like making videos. But I'm still very awkward when it comes to like filming in public. That's why a lot of the clips that you saw were kind of like mashed together, because I would just take random clips here and there, and then when it came to editing I just kind of put them together and try to make something work. Yeah, so please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and then subscribe to my YouTube channel, because even if you did not like this one video, there's still many more to come, and I'm gonna not just be doing vlogs, I'm gonna be doing other videos. You guys will just have to subscribe and hit the bell for notifications when I post, and then you'll see what my new video is about. Maybe it'll be a vlog, maybe it won't. Bye guys, thanks for watching.